Hey YouTube, we're going to try to reenact some magic here today. If you watched my last Gypsy Queen break, you noticed this guy. Pulled him out of a box, and an autograph in the same box, and two book value $10 short prints, and a $10 Harper Mini. But anyway, of course my odds on the autograph were 1 in 94, I think, and my odds on this are 1 in 1,542 for this guy. So yeah, the odds are pretty astronomical. Probably won't do it, but hey, I would like to at least get, you know, something cool. This will only be my second box of this stuff that I've opened, because I'm not really, you know, I haven't gotten any of this yet, so we'll see. Doesn't sound cool. I'm going to go ahead and open a rack pack as well, just to see what we get here. And this comes with some little weird minis. Not minis, I'm sorry. White bordered parallel is what it is. So we'll see what we get there. Alright, so let's start with some white bordered parallels and then go from there. David Freeze is one of them. Dude. Alright. So we've got David Freeze. There we go, David Freeze. Billy Butler and Tony Perez. Pretty decent, nice little white bordered cards. Like them. They're not terrible. Got the wrong box here, but oh well. That's what I'm looking for. There we go. Cool. Okay, so start with the first pack. These top three are out of the rack pack. We've got Starling Marti, whatever, Light Latos, Reggie Jackson Mini, Harmon Killebrew, and Duke Snider. Wow, nice little old guy pack there. Yeah. We have Alvarez, Upside Down Ryan Braun. I know the backwards are short prints, but I don't know about upside down, so we'll have to check on that one. Paul O'Neill, Bautista, and Willie Stargell. In this pack we have Seaver, Ryan Sandberg, Aces, R.A. Dickey, got Nova Mini, Fisk, and Chen. Looks like the rack pack was kind of a bust. Alright, let's go for the box. The blaster. The Master Blaster. We have a backwards Nope. Okay. So, Jim Palmer, Davis, Spawn no-hitters, Kippens Mini, Reynolds, and Los. L-O-H-S-E. This Viciendo, Corey Hart. It's not Corey, is it? Yeah, it is Corey Hart. Ryan Braun, short print. Pretty sure it's a short print. I'm going to hold that one right there. Vita Blue, Strasburg, and Martin. And let me just double check something here. Ryan Braun. So this was upside down, and this one was backwards. So I may have two Ryan Braun short prints, one out of the rack pack and one out of the blaster box. We'll see. I'll put them off to the side and double check them later. That'd be kind of cool if you're a Ryan Braun fan. Bourne, Weaver Aces, Snider, Glove Stories, Harmon Killebrew Mini, Trumbo, and O'Neill. Okay. Ricky Henderson. Miley. I've got collisions at the plate. Ruiz. Benez. Ramirez. And Zimmerman. Mr. Fielder. And that is Cecil Fielder, not Prince Fielder. I'm sorry. I've been saying that was Prince Fielder the whole time. Only because I saw Fielder. Ha! That's awesome. Cecil Fielder. Okay. Ellsbury. No Hitters Hunter. I've got Stanton. Hose. Nice Orioles player. And Slaughter. You know Slaughter. Cecil Fielder. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we got Hamilton. We got Sliding Stars. Kelly. Sale. Jim Bunning. Short print. And McCarthy. Cecil Fielder 2 of 5. Awesome. Morrow, Butler, Gypsy Queen dealing aces, Quintana, Kemp, and Kelly. I like Cecil Fielder a lot better than Prince Fielder. I thought, dude, what was I thinking yesterday? Alright. Altuve, Nathan, Eddie Murray, Mikado, Manny Mikado. That's a nice little short print, or a nice little mini there. Alvarez and Odorizzi. So anyway, guys, nothing major today. Probably got a few dollars back from the Manny Machado rookie mini and the couple of short prints that I got. So we'll see how that works. And anyway, yeah, it was real cool. So I got this one coming up next for you football fans. So hopefully you guys can join me in and break that one just a bit. All right? Thanks, guys. See ya.